In Pakistan, Punjabi culture. This is a vibrant and rich topic. Punjabi culture is an essential part of Pakistan's heritage, and it has a special impact on the country's identity. Some aspects of Punjabi culture in Pakistan are: 1. Language. Punjabi is the most widely spoken language in Pakistan, with over 70% of the population speaking it as their first or second language. 1. Music and dance. Punjabi music and dance are incredibly popular, including traditional dances like Bhangra, Gidda, and Qawwali. 1. Food. Punjabi cuisine is famous for its delicious dishes like sarson ka saag, makki ki roti, keema matar, and halwa puri. 1. Festivals. Punjabi festivals such as Baisakhi, Eid, and Diwali are celebrated with great enthusiasm. 1. Traditions. Punjabi traditions like dastar, turban, pagri headgear, and gagra choli, traditional attire, are an integral part of the culture. 1. Handicrafts. Punjabi artisans are skilled in pottery, weaving, and embroidery. 1. Values. Punjabi culture emphasizes hospitality, family values, respect for elders, and hard work. 1. Folklore. Punjabi folk tales are rich with stories, legends, and myths, featuring famous characters like Heer Ranja and Soni Mahiwal. 1. Sufism. Punjabi Sufi poets and saints like Bulleh Shah, Waris Shah, and Mian Muhammad Baksh have deeply influenced the region's spirituality and literature. 1. Cultural heritage. The cultural heritage of Punjab includes historical sites like Lahore Fort, Badshahi Mosque, and Harappa, which are included in UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. Punjabi culture in Pakistan is a beautiful blend of traditions, values, and artistic forms that shape the country's identity and heritage.